Okay, so I found my spot for the night, and it's getting a little dark and stormy. The forecast says it's gonna rain at 7 o'clock, which is actually in like 11 minutes now. So I've been kind of sitting here reading a bit, and didn't really realize how close it was to rain. So I gotta set up my tent really quickly, and I thought this was would be a good time to do a video of if how fast I can set my tent up and get all my stuff inside and be ready to kind of hide out for the night from the rain. So I'll try and set up I got my stuff all here. So most of it's on the bike still. I just have my sleeping bag, sleeping bag, backpack, and tent out, and then my saddlebags are still all fixed up to my bike. So let's try and set this on this way. There we go. Looks good. Okay, tent. There's the tent. I always like to put the door to the east, so it gets the morning sun. I'm not getting covered by dew when I open the door in the morning, because hopefully the morning sun from the east will dry off the dew that's on the door so it doesn't drip in on my sleeping bag. Pull up. Found the easiest technique for the poles is to do the first two clips on one, first two clips on the other. This side. Tent is up. Now we have the fly. Okay. Now we have the pegs. So I only use 3 pegs. Basically, there's only a loop on each side here. I'd like to have one right here, but there isn't one. Do that. First peg. Oh yeah, good ground for the pegs. Yeah, this feels like good ground for the pegs. Right mixture of soft enough to push in, but firm enough to really hold well. So now tent's ready. Just gonna throw my stuff in. How you doing there? Stop here for a minute. Place you down a little bit. Oh, anyhow, that's my tent set up. So I basically just gotta throw my backpack in and my saddlebags in. Then I just put this over the gears on my bike. Oh yeah, and I take my bike seat cover too. Yeah. So that's not bad. That was like 4 minutes to set up the tent. Yeah. And we're ready for the darkness. There's some dark clouds. We'll see how that goes. But yeah.